I've reviewed the deployment proposal for the new real-time processing feature. Deploying heavy neural networks on our current edge devices, it's going to completely burn through our Q3 budget on cloud GPUs. We can't afford it.
Sir Batman. I completely understand the concern, Ms. Carter. That's exactly why I am not proposing a standard neural network deployment. I've developed a novel algorithm that bypasses the GPU requirement entirely and runs on standard CPUs. A CPU-only approach for real-time processing, we can't compromise on latency. If the system lags, we lose the client. I wouldn't suggest a pivot if it compromised our core deliverables. Trust here is built on reliable results. By shifting to non-neural architecture, we eliminate the hardware bottleneck. It's a calculated decision to solve the compute problem at the root. But I don't expect you to take that on faith. Let's look at the data. Sure. As you can see in this performance matrix, the CPU-optimized approach maintains a 30 frames per second processing rate, keeping our latency within the client's limits. However, it reduces our computational overhead by 85%. We solve the hardware constraint, guarantee the timeline, and stay under budget. An 85% reduction in cost with matching latency. That is exactly the kind of problem solving we needed. Let's run an A/B test this week. Yes, we solve the hardware constraint, guarantee the timeline, and stay comfortably under budget. The math is solid. That is exactly the kind of problem solving we needed. But we need to verify this in a live environment immediately. Agreed. Let's run an A/B test this week using a subset of our traffic. I'll personally monitor the CPU loads. Do it. If the A/B test matches your chart, we'll deploy your algorithm company-wide. Good work. Before we even think about testing, I need to understand what makes your approach fundamentally different. Instead of scaling compute, I reduce the problem itself, breaking it into lightweight deterministic steps that eliminate the need for heavy inference. If that holds in practice, we're not just saving money, we're changing the entire architecture. All right, let's proceed carefully.